Generally, to form a contract, there must be a manifestation of mutual assent between the parties to enter into an agreement, which is sometimes referred to as a meeting of the minds. In the 2005 case, International Casings Group versus Premium Standard Farms, a federal district court in Missouri considered whether there could be a meeting of the minds between two parties to form a contract when the parties didn't sign a written agreement memorializing terms. Premium Standard Farms Incorporated, which we'll call PSF, was a pork producer that sold hog casings. Additionally, International Casings Group, which we'll call ICG, was a company that purchased hog casings from PSF. In May of 1998, PSF and ICG entered into two long-term output contracts under which ICG agreed to purchase all of PSF's hog casings for two of its facilities. But in May of 2002, PSF and ICG terminated the contracts. Nonetheless, PSF and ICG continued performing under the contracts, and in June of 2002 began negotiating terms for a new set of contracts through email. In June of 2004, PSF and ICG reached an agreement through email on the essential terms of two new long-term output contracts. The parties then began performing under the agreed-upon terms. However, ICG's president never signed anything. A few months later, PSF hired a new supervisor for its facilities. Following the hire, PSF became unhappy with the terms of its output contracts with ICG and began negotiating new contracts with a third party. And in November of 2004, PSF sent ICG written notice of its intent to terminate the parties' business relationship. Subsequently, ICG sued PSF in United States District Court for the Western District of Missouri for breach of contract. In the action, ICG moved for a preliminary injunction to prevent PSF from entering into an output contract with another party until the case was decided, which required ICG to prove, in part, that it was likely to succeed on the merits of its claim.